We're in Fresno, California, Clovis, California, and I just finished installing a Badger 1 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. We've got the old disposal sitting over there. It's an American Standard, and they bought that online, had the handyman install it. Anyways, it failed, it defective, so water coming out of the bottom, nothing you can do to repair that. Flange wasn't installed correctly, but down at the bottom, water dripping out, so homeowner will have to get with the American Standard and get the refund on that item. They wanted it replaced and back in working order right away, so we just went over to the local True Value hardware store, got a 1/3 horsepower in-sink aerator, and of course your documentation sitting on the floor. We'll put it up on the counter for you, and so it's installed. We'll give you a new line cord as well. That's a $10 item or $15 item out of Home Depot or Lowe's. We had one on our truck, so no charge for that. And all of the existing plumbing is yours. All this piping here connecting over to there is yours. The only new components are the metal bracket and then the rubber gasket on the inside. Hose is yours. Hose clamp is yours. We did put the new flange in right here. We didn't like the other one. It wasn't seating correctly. So brand new flange, brand new disposal. It's plugged into an in-sink aerator top mount switch or a countertop switch, and so that's working. It's a little fussy because there's a lot of water in it, but it's still working correctly. So we run lots of water down this. Everything's looking good. We do want to note that the cabinet's cracked down here at the bottom. I guess excessive weight from an oversized sink sitting up in here, and it's, you know, they've cut out a lot of the support. But anyways, that's and you got some water damage on the bottom. You can see the rippling and whatnot from water standing on the bottom of the cabinet. So anyways, our work is done here. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.